Hello, thank you for contacting Apple Customer Support. This is Ella. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, hi Ella, this is Michael. I was just having trouble with two issues in particular I was hoping you guys could help me out with.
No worries at all, Michael. We'll make sure we get it all sorted out for you. What exactly are the issues you're having?
Yeah, so I guess the first issue is relating to my iPhone 14. I recently made the switch from Android to iPhone. I guess it's not entirely accurate. I used an iPod a few years back when I was a teenager, and I had photos on there that I wanted to get onto my new iPhone, but I'm not really sure how to do that, so I was hoping you guys could help.
That's great to hear you recently started using an iPhone. Let's get that all set up for you. Do you know if you're using the same Apple ID?
Yeah, no, I am using the same Apple ID.
Okay, great. Could you try going to your settings and tapping under iCloud for me?
Yeah, here, give me a second. Go to my settings. iCloud. Okay, I'm there.
Perfect. Could you tell me if iCloud photos are enabled?
Oh, no, they they weren't. I'm feeling a little dumb, I'm not gonna lie, but thank you very much.
You're not dumb at all. It normally takes a little while to get accustomed to a new phone when switching, but I'm happy I could help. What was your other issue?
Yeah, so the other issue, basically, when I made the jump from Android to Apple, I just kind of wanted to go all out, and I decided to get the MacBook as well. So I ordered one online, but it has not been delivered yet, so I just kind of wanted to know what exactly was going on.
I understand your concern, Michael. Firstly, let me apologize for the inconvenience. Let's check the status of your delivery. Can you provide me with the order number?
Yeah, I have the email pulled up already. It says the order number is Z14HC29482.
Thank you, Michael. Just give me a moment to look that up.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay, I see the order here. It appears that there was a slight delay at one of our distribution centers, but your MacBook is en route and is expected to be delivered by tomorrow evening at the latest. Would you like me to send you a notification or a text message once it's out for delivery?
Yeah, a text notification would actually be perfect, and thank you for checking on that. I was definitely getting a bit worried about the order, I'm not gonna lie.
Completely understandable, and I apologize for any stress it might have caused. You'll receive a text notification as soon as it's out for delivery. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, I think that covers every question that I had. Thank you very much, Ella. You've been really helpful, actually.
It was my pleasure to help, Michael. Remember, we're here whenever you need us. Enjoy your iPhone and your MacBook. Have a great day.
Yeah, alright. Take care. You have a good one.